going to be a pretty short video. Sitting out here with my phone, not that easy to do a video. I think I'm going to go over 1776, the association between planet Earth and planet Mars. Having a baby in the 9th month of the 9th finger, there are actually 11 digits left over. When you have 9, you have 11 digits left over. So let me do this real quick. This is about 440 hertz. 108 times 2 is 216. Diameter of the moon. We do it again. It's 324, which is 18 by 18. 180 degrees divides it all. Then we get the next one up is we get 432, the vibration between 5 and 1, and that is Mars. In this scenario over here, we have 220, the twin towers come down. We have 330 rotation of the sun, and then we get 440. When we chop it down, we get 54, which is 3 times 3, 3 plus 3 equals to 6 and 9. 9 times 6, 54. 9 times 5 are 11, are 911. That gets chopped up between two different worlds, 1 and 8 and 2 and 9. This is your first 11, and this is your first 9. After that, it's 3 and 8, and 2 and 7. And we end up with our X's right over here. After that, we can cross our hearts. And in this one over here, we cross our hearts with 4 and 5, 9. In this one, in this one over here, this one over here, it's 5 and 6, 11. So when we come down a little bit deeper, we have the hertz, which is 88. At the same time, it's 34 DC. We're at the 7th gate. 26 and 8, 34. 34 is for CD, and CD is for blue, and it's for boy. We see that 13.75. This says electric moon. This does not. The 5 does not say electric moon. 50 will either invert to a 6 or invert to a 9 because it's 13.50. This tells me about matter and energy. This gets reduced to a 4-5. Why? The M letter and the E letter, matter and energy. The ocean, MER, 18, telling me the one spirit, right? With the 8 haven that goes around. There are 8, right? There's 3 empty spaces here. Here's the center space. There's 8 that go around one center space. This is in the pound, the matter and energy. So we're either running, this word over here is sky pass. You get freedom 55, but your freedom comes from 66. One is representing the sun, the other is representing the moon. 109 or 19, where AI comes together in your 911. Because in one of them, you don't use the 9, right? And the other one, like this is what it is a 1, 8, 2, 7, 3, 6, 4, 5. We don't use number 9, creating number 9. The other one we use 2, 9, 3, 8, 5, 6, 4, 7. And here we don't use the 1 over here. That 19 becomes club and gold. 57 is your birth. This is birth. That's a numeric value for the moon. But if you wrote birth this way, right, you'd have 54, the numeric value for the sun. One is 18, the other is 19, and this is what splits your 36 numbers. 18 and 19 is 37, 16 and 21 is 37, and 17 and 20 is 37, 111, 71 minutes is 1 hour and 11 minutes. Keep it short right now. Thank you for watching this video. Anything about creation can always be calculated mathematically through the perfect world that we live, because the alphabet made everything perfect. The alphabet tells the story, and games gives us the dimensions for the equations that we can take the further steps to understand more of the skeleton world of dots, dashes, and all the shapes, from the 52 letter shapes in the alphabet to the number shapes, to the number words, to words for every letter and every number, and languages to speak. Thank you for watching this video. Help out the channel if you can. Let's move this thing on. Let's get in touch with Gigi. Let's take this to another level. The truth about everything is coming out, and it's coming out now. The end of times